A long time ago, India's part of the land was called Gondwana, its neighbor was Africa. So about 50 million of trees, the landmass of Eurasia, and collided with it. At India pushed against Eurasia, the land between them rose up and the Himalayas were formed. India is still pushing Asia today very slowly, about 5 centimeters each year. This means Himalayas are still going taller, just a tiny bit each year, about 5 million. Just what over a millennium it happens to adds to 5 meters. The the word Himalayas combination of two Sanskrit words. Hima means snow, Alaya means Delhi, abode of snow. Hima's great Himalayas are the highest and most rugged of the towering peaks like Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. This region remains covered throughout the year. Himachal lower areas the south of the Himalayas have a moderate climate allowing rich biodiversity and ambientation. And popular hill stations are Nainital, Darjeeling, Shimla and Missouri. Shivalik are the outer Himalayas, outermost and lower ranges, consisting of rolling hills and dense forests. These foothills are rich in wildlife, serving as transition between Himalayas and the Gangetic Plains. The Great Himalayan National Park in Himachal Pradesh has a wide diversity of flora and fauna. Uh, the biodiversity of the park is being preserved by the government as well as village communities that live inside the park. The desert that immediately evokes an image of a hot place. However, there are cold deserts. Ladakh is a cold desert which temperature drop below -30 degrees Celsius, which are given in the deep valleys and lakes such as the Pangong so slow means lake. The terrain here resembles mm, then the terrain bent of a moon, hence it is called moonland. Geologists explain the formation of terrain and the folded when the Indian landmass collided with Eurasia. This folded portion was a part of an Asia, and so the oceans are made up of largely sand, and wind and rain have eroded the mountains into the shapes. Ladakh is home to unique wildlife like snow leopards, ibex, and Tibetan antelopes. Ladakh people live a simple life. This region is known for its ancient monasteries and colorful rituals. Festivals such as Losar and Hemis festival. So, as we move southwards from Himalayas, we reach the vast and fertile Gangetic plains. These plains have been an important part of the history and eastern civilization of India. These Indias are originated from the Himalayas, the vital pipeline water, Ganga, Indus, and Brahmaputra river systems. The rivers have the bring them minerals that enrich the soil, enabling abundant agriculture. The rivers are a source for generating electricity. A large portion of the India's population lives in these plains. The flat land of the northern plains has allowed for the development of elaborate transportation network. Road and railways facilitate the movement of people and goods over long distances. Uh, um, most rivers are named after goddesses Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, and the um, uh, the sand dunes are formed when the wind shifts and shapes into sand in like mountains. It's area site is 50 meters the Thar reservoir. The arid desert region. The desert acts such a natural barrier to the harsh conditions. Uh, the Aravalli Hills are the oldest mountains in the world. Mount Abu is the highest peak of the Aravalli. Uh, the Aravallis play a vital role in shaping the geography and climate of the northwest India. Aravallis are rich in minerals, marble, granite, zinc, copper, etc. There are historic forts such as Chittorgarh, Kumbhalgarh, and Ranthambore, etc. are located here. The peninsula plateau is bordered by the Arabian Sea and the West Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Dense forests on the plateau are home to tribal continues like this as Sandal, Gond, Vaiga, Bil, Korku. Plateaus are many beautiful waterfalls in India. Uh, Amazing coastlines are there. India coastline is 7,500 kilometer long. The Western Ghats stretches from Gujarat to Kerala, crossing through Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka. The coastline is shaped by alluvial deposits. The Narmada and Tapti estuaries, being the largest estuaries. The east coast is the east coast lies between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Deltas between Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Important bodies like Chilika Lake and Pulikat Lake separated from large water bodies of water found here. Deltas are landforms formed at the mouth of the river. Very